This Chapman-Leonard tutorial video on the Miniscopes is a comprehensive guide on how to set up and balance the crane. In this demonstration, we'll be using the Miniscope 5. The Miniscope 5 has 5 feet of extension and 10 feet of reach, while the Miniscope 7 has 7 feet of extension and 12 feet of reach. The first step is to ensure that the base is leveled. Then, plug in the AC-DC converter. All lights on the AC-DC converter will turn green when properly powered. Turn on the 30-volt battery to engage the fulcrum boom power. The toggle switch can be pushed up to boom up and pushed down to bring the crane down. It's located on the base. The next step is to balance the arm. Remove the kingpin at the rear of the crane to release all telescopic sections. To balance, check that the locking bar is still properly engaged and your tilt lock is off. Add weight to the rear section, checking the locking bar pin often until the pin becomes easy to spin. Then add locking bolts. Turn on the nose and adjust the level all at the nose section of the crane. If you choose to go overslung, please have the locking bar engaged. Use the over-under switch located under the front section of the arm. This will reverse your polarity and allow your nose to level in the overslung position. Loosen the nose nut and pull the nose pin out part way to rotate the nose to the over position. Re-engage your pin and tighten the nut. Follow the balancing steps again, as this may have changed your crane balance. In the next step, you will manually slide the weight tray to the extended position, while leaving the lock bar engaged. Add weights to the side weight trays on each side evenly until the locking bar kingpin is easily spun. Add locking bolts to the weight tray with appropriate sized spacers. Pull your locking bar while keeping the crane leveled. The side trim weights can be adjusted to fine-tune the crane's balance, and ideally only adjusted when the main weight tray is over the fulcrum. Make sure the trim weight is tightened by hand to eliminate unwanted sliding. Enable the on switch, which is located at the rear of the crane, followed by the joystick on switch. Make sure your limit switch is in the on position, also located at the rear of the crane next to your on and off switch. Remove your locking bar. Force or tools will not be necessary if properly balanced. At this point, the joystick controller can be used to extend and retract the arm to check your balance for the final time. Any fine-tuning adjustments can be made to the weight trays until the crane is perfectly balanced. The Miniscope base offers crab, round, and conventional steering by pulling up the kingpin and spinning it 10 degrees. Wheel brakes are located near the tires and can be enabled by spinning clockwise. Before travel, please remove all the additional weights, and it should return the same way it arrived. Don't travel with additional weights on, and always lock in the sections of the crane with the rear kingpin before moving the base. To request a quote and reserve a Miniscope rental, go to chapmanleonard.com. Choose your equipment and add to your cart. For any questions, please reach out to our Chapman Leonard support team. You can contact us through www.chapmanleonard.com, where you'll also receive 24-hour support by contacting our technical support team. Thanks for watching this quick video. We hope it's been a help.